Alright guys, we got less than 24 hours before WWDC 23 is going to start. And I wanted to show you guys a cool trick you can do on your iPhone that allows you to make a Memoji wallpaper that has the WWDC 23 kind of theme behind it. I think it looks really cool. So I wanted to show you guys how to do this. This allows you to use your own Memoji. As you guys can see, it puts your Memoji behind a Mac, and the rest of the wallpaper kind of has that WWDC 23 kind of design behind it, and I think it's really cool. So to get this up and running, we will have to download and install two separate shortcuts. You guys can find these shortcuts, link is in the description for the post here on my website. All you got to do is scroll down a little bit and you can see there are the two links for the two shortcuts we're going to need. So we're just going to click on the first one here. It's going to redirect us. This is the Me WWDC 23 shortcut. Just click on add shortcut. And then we're going to go ahead and swipe back and we're going to download the SC library. This shortcut is required as well. Just add shortcut. Now what we can do is we can actually hop into the Notes application. I'm just going to go ahead and search for Notes. Just going to do it in the Apple Notes. And if we just start a new note, we can go to our Memojis right here. We can click the three dots. And now we can choose our favorite Memoji we want to use within that wallpaper. So I'm just going to choose one here at random. Which one should I use? Maybe we'll use the light bulb one. Just like so. So now that we have that in our notes, what we can do is tap and hold on the Memoji. We can click on share, and now we can scroll down until we see save image. So go ahead and click on save image. So now we have that Memoji saved. We can hop into shortcuts and we can run the Me WWDC 23 shortcut. So just click on it, and on these pop-ups just click allow, allow again. And it's going to let us select our Memoji in which we just saved. So I'm going to go ahead and select on that, click on allow again. And it's going to now generate the wallpaper. So there you go. That isn't the best Memoji, but I just wanted to do one for example so you guys could see the process. It's really quite easy. You just need the two shortcuts and then run them and get your Memoji in there. So at this point, you can just click done. It auto saves it to your photos, or you can share it, whatever you'd like to do. And that's pretty much all there is to it. That's how you can get the Memoji WWDC 23 wallpaper on your device. Hopefully you guys liked the tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. This has been IDM, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.